Is your external component the Libdvdcss.dll not found? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I'm here to help you re-establish your media software links. Before we dive into the libdvdcss manual process, note the maintenance tool linked below for standardized file referencing. This DLL file is a free software library used for accessing and decrypting DVDs protected by the Content Scramble System, CSS. It allows media players like VLC to play commercial DVDs on Windows without region locking. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. The libdvdcss.dll is required by your media software to run correctly. Reinstalling the latest official version of your media software ensures all required application DLLs are restored. When the primary installation path fails, a more surgical approach to checking your system's environmental variables is required. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the libdvdcss file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. Installing an unverified version of the libdvdcss.dll is one of the most common ways to accidentally bypass your system's built-in security firewall. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. To help prevent productivity interruptions, the diagnostic tool below provides informational guidance on keeping the libdvdcss synchronized. I'm Sophie Chen. We are dedicated to providing clear, safe paths to PC repair, including complex libdvdcss dependencies. Subscribe to support our technical mission.